right?
Yes, exactly.
Got 2 more minutes of onions.
Yeah. I messed up.
That's
I
fine.
can't read it because
No,
it's
no,
so...
I'll help you.
Not even 1 minute.
Oh.
Hey, come on, be patient. So, come on. Thank you
That's
for... Hi. Hi, my name is Laura G. Julian, he's gonna help me today, and we'll do the spaghetti bolognese, which is delicious and very easy. So don't be afraid, easy. Even Julian can do it.
If I can do it, you can do it. Trust me.
Of course.
These are some of the ingredients that go into your dish, right?
Yes,
Okay.
it's grinded beef.
Okay.
And then about 2 pounds of meat. We're gonna use 2 large onion, chopped onion, garlic, cloves, carrots,
Okay.
tomato paste,
Excellent.
then stewed tomato, and also braised tomato sauce, oregano, red crushed pepper, about 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and 1 cup of chopped fresh basil.
It smells so good. Oh,
Yeah.
great.
And also, because it's a ragu, then we're gonna use about a cup of red wine, Merlot. I prefer Merlot, so yeah.
And I accidentally got the cheap wine, and you were telling me that's like...
Yeah, because the cha, it's excellent for cook. Even so to drink, no problem. But for cooking, it's excellent.
This gives you a hangover.
Yeah, if you drink a lot,
Yeah.
it gives you a hangover. Not when you're cooking with it.
All right,
let's
so what do we
start
do?
to heat it up the oil. Okay.
Crappy red wine from Crappa Valley. It's so good. It tastes just like crap.
When the oil heated up, okay, then you put the onions in it.
It takes about a few minutes.
Yeah, 3-4 minutes. Yes, approximately.
3-4 minutes.
Yeah.
3-4 minutes for the onions. 3-4 minutes for the onions. We got 2 more minutes of onions.
Yeah. Let me stir it, and we do the garlic. The garlic is about 6 to 8 cloves, and just put it like a small spoon, okay? Mix it well quickly because the garlic can burn in a second. Yeah, now we put the meat on.
The meat.
The meat on.
Let's grab the meat.
And you have to brown the meat about 4 or 5 minutes on high heat, okay? It's getting there.
Wow.
Yeah, that's enough.
No,
okay,
yeah.
and now I turn medium high heat, okay? And now we do the seasoning. Salt, pepper, okay?
Salt and pepper.
About a teaspoon of salt, okay?
And how much pepper?
And a large tablespoon of black pepper. Okay. Then comes the oregano, 3 tablespoons. Okay? And about a 1/4 teaspoon of red crushed pepper. So now we do the 1/2 cup of grinded fresh carrot, and it gives a little sweet taste. Okay. So we leave it like 5 to 7 minutes, and then
We go
going
back.
back again.
Okay.
Yes.
So we got 5-7 minutes. 5-7 minutes. 5-7 minutes.
We have 5 more, okay?
5 more minutes. You just said 5 more minutes. Okay. 5 more minutes. Okay. It smells great. You can't smell it on camera, but it smells amazing. Okay. How many minutes do we have left?
Well, be patient. Okay, it's already 5. Let's say it's already 5 minutes. Then we'll do the chopped fresh basil. Okay? You wanna taste it? Get a spoon.
I'm a
and taste
helper.
it.
I'm a helper.
Yes. Little more salt. Now comes the tomato paste. About 3-4 tablespoons, which we need it.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay.
So
All
2 more 3 minutes with the tomato paste.
Yes.
So what do we do now?
Dancing. For 2-3 minutes.
For 2-3 minutes.
So get a taste, Julian, please. Okay?
Get a taste. You're so bossy. I love it.
This is the Royal marinara sauce. Yeah, a little bit more than half a jar. To the sauce, we're gonna add the tomatoes too. 2-3 tablespoons of white sugar. You have to do the red wine.
The red wine? How much wine do I drink? I mean, not how much wine.
Okay.
How much wine do I have to put in there?
About a cup. And cover it for another couple of minutes, okay?
So 7 to 10 more minutes.
On a very, very, very slow heat.
Very, very low heat.
Mm-hmm.
We'll be back in 7-10 minutes.
Yes. Hey.
What? No, it's 10 minutes?
Okay, it's about 10 minutes.
So you added leftover garlic?
Garlic.
Okay.
Stir it. Okay. And add a little splash of wine.
More wine, yay!
More wine, but this time you put it on the high heat only for a couple of seconds, okay? More wine. Stir. Voila, it's done. Sauce is done totally, so you guys, you can taste it, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna taste. I tasted it. Tastes great. Don't leave me in the kitchen alone. I might burn something.
The water is boiling, so put a little salt in it, like 2 tablespoons, and then I put the.
6 minutes.
Yes.
All right, 6 more minutes.
Also, when the pasta is sticky, if it's sticky, then you just have to pour a little bit oil in the water. Pasta is done.
Okay. I should have done that. I'm the helper.
No, I just put a little olive oil.
So shiny and pretty.
That means it's al dente. Now you pour the sauce on. So this sauce, it's too much. And the rest of it, you can freeze it or put it in the container, and tomorrow or after tomorrow, you guys will eat it. Okay?
It looks really pretty.
So you mix it up. Sprinkle it with a little fresh chopped basil, cheese, and ready to eat.
Can I do the cheese?
Yes.
This is the first thing I helped her with. I'm such a bad helper.
Like this. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Okay, stir it.
I'm gonna eat it out of here because the guests aren't here and they don't know I'm eating out of the main dish. Cameraman, get over here. This is Willie, who was behind the scenes, helping us shoot this and doing the audio. So this is it. That's your spaghetti bolognese.
It's all done.
I had such a good time with you today.
About what was like 35-40 minutes?
Well,
we had fun.
I had 40 minutes of fun with you.
Okay. Thank you for watching my video Cooking with Laura G. To get the full recipe, just click below the links and subscribe. And let's have a big glass of wine.